what, bro? That is it. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life. I'm up and about and with the Grandpa Falls. Come on yard.
On top of the morning this morning, guys, you know the energy go. Yeah man, I'm always up on my morning walk as usual, but this morning I never get for video. Yeah man, so I take you all on a small journey. There are folks that visit this area. Yeah man, whether it be Georgia, Trinityville, Somerset, or wherever on the island. Yeah man, this one goes out to you all out there, drivers, most naturally. When you're up and active on the road, may I ask you please, bear in mind, the safety comes first. Yeah man, loved ones, friends and family comes first. So once you're out here, you take your time and maneuver the road. For quite some time, we've been down and out, I'd say. Yeah man, because we never have no good road. Yeah man. And right now, we're in a spot where things far more better than before, because we have proper roads, infrastructure, and what I say, well, basically around the island. Yeah man, all around the island things kind of get better in regards to the road condition. Yeah man, but honestly guys, it's a shame to see y'all come enjoy yourself. Yeah man, cause you know the front part of the video here we show y'all a little bit of beauty, what I say, around St. Thomas. Yeah man, but it's a shame to see you all come to enjoy yourself, whether it be at Grandpa Falls or just naturally in the countryside. You just come soak up some of the energy. Yeah man, notice y'all overdo it. Yeah man, drive too fast, speeding and all. Yeah man, and accident, but behind accidents. But I tell y'all man, not like life, you know man. Before now, we used to walk donkey cart from horseback to chariot, and you know the something go. Man kind of have the tendency to, you know, overdo it from time to time. But may I ask you guys to just bear in mind safety man, and take your time go where I go. Perfect example, I own my vehicle for what? 8 years now. Call it that. Yeah man. For the 8 years I drive, I've met in situations where I've gotten tickets, and I've met in situations where I almost met in an accident. Yeah, man. And I've seen some other stuff out here on this here road where it's unexplainable, meaning you have to wonder, say, oh, them people get them license. Yeah, man, but cut long story short, guys. Before now, this here road was in a state where, trust me, you have to take your time. Yeah, man. And now that the road paved and looking like this that you see now, I ask all of the drivers out there. Yeah, man, I beg you know. When you come here, you have to come enjoy, whether it be Grandpa Falls or you just come in to come visit friends and family, or you're even passing by. Yeah, man. I ask you guys to just obey the speed limit. Take your time and go where you go, man. Because before now, we used to walk. Yeah, man. Would I be a walk from Markdale to wherever, or from Trinityville to wherever, and we used to have less accident, I'd say. Yeah, but cut long story short, guys, before now things wasn't this fast, so take it slow, man. Perfect example, the taxi man that are passing. Yeah, man. And at the moment I do 60 kilometers. I understand say you have to do the road, feed the food. I understand say you have to enjoy yourself because you come on road with your family. But life is important, life is very, very precious. So take the time out to just drive carefully. Yeah, man. As usual, yeah, man, they are run out the goat them, you see. Yeah, man. Me and Marshall they are chocolate, you know. But this lady is just unruly. She decides that she wants to stay back with the kid them. Yeah, man, so no energy go. Yeah, make sure they get something to eat. Yeah, man. And funny enough, you know, Grandpa Falls just there, stone throw away, you know. When something go, this is the yard as it.